Hey everyone, it's Mindy Banks, the Flip Flop Chef. I am here with Christian and Connor, and they are gonna do a taste test today of Mauna Loa's new ice cream. So these are non-dairy ice cream flavors. We have 4 of the flavors to try. So let's try the first one. So this one is Molokai, sea salt and caramel. So y'all try the caramel. They're not big fans of caramel, so that's why Christian is kind of hesitating there.
That one's really good, actually.
How do you vote that, Christian? Okay.
That's really good.
All right, the next one is gonna be mango lilikoi. Can you get it?
You gotta get a big one. I don't like it.
You don't like that? You like that? So I think this one is, yeah, mango lilikoi is a sweet and tart union of mango and passion fruit. All right, next up is Kona Coffee.
I don't like coffee.
All right, well, what's the next one? Let's get your palate cleansed. Strawberry guava.
Do not sling that across the room.
For the record, I tried the Kona Coffee and I thought it was great. Whoopsie. Pick it up.
I'll be right back. I'm gonna get more.
All right. What is your favorite, Connor?
Okay.
Christian, which one was your favorite? Settle down, boys. All right, so Christian's is the mango lilikoi, and Connor, yours is strawberry guava. All right, you guys have anything to say before you go?
You have to try this.
Okay, so we're...
Not this one, but this one's pretty good too.
Okay, so we found these at Sprouts. So if you have a Sprouts grocery store near you, look it up, call them, make sure they have it. Or you can go to Mauna Loa's website and look at the stores near you that carry their products, and it will tell you on the website what products they carry. So I think there's only a couple of stores that carry the ice cream. So thanks for checking us out today, guys. Don't forget to go to theflipflopchef.com.